Hey everyone, if you're new here, I Adyasa Nayak who has a very special remedy today for your skin. This mask will eliminate acne scars, dullness and pigmentation. You will need two ingredients for this mask which are very easily available in our kitchen or home. So without further ado, let's start with the preparation of the mask. So here for the mask, at first you will need potash alum, which is also known as wheat curry, and the second one is honey. You can make alum powder easily in a mortar and pestle. Add 2 parts or 2 spoons of alum powder with 1 part or 1 spoon of honey in it. This mixture needs to be in 2:1 ratio, just the way I am doing it over here in the video. Add a little bit of water with it. I forgot to add it here, so I added half teaspoon of water later before I applied this face mask on my face or on my body. Mix it well and then it will be ready for you to apply it on your skin. It can be used on your face as well as on your body. Here I just diluted the mask with half teaspoon of water which I mentioned earlier. Apply it all over your face, neck, body, everywhere you want on your body. Just avoid using it on your eye area, like the eyelid, under eye area, on those areas of your eye. You just do not use on those areas. Those areas are very sensitive. And wait for 10 minutes, then wash it off. If you are using this mask twice a week, within a month, you will notice all your acne scars, pigmentation are gone. You'll be having a subtle glow on your skin as well, which will make your skin look glowy and fresh looking all throughout the day. Now, why this happens? Because of the two magical ingredients in it. As alum is one of the best ingredients to eliminate pigmentation and give you that subtle glow. It is very good for skin brightening, reducing acne and acne scars as well. It tightens your skin, reduces enlarged pores due to its natural astringent properties. It's very effective in removing your body odor as well. I always use ACV aka apple cider vinegar or alum in my bath water to prevent bacteria and those smelly body sweat, because I do not like to use deodorants or any kind of perfumes. So I like to use good body wash and this ACV or alum to prevent body odor. And honey is the second ingredient, which is a natural exfoliator that brightens your skin, reduces dull, dry skin, reduces acne and scars, just like alum. It also helps to give perfect hydration, keeps your skin moisturized and healthy. So, here are few basic precautions to follow. First, as this mask has alum in it, dilute it with half teaspoon or 1 spoon of water. Second, patch test before applying this mask all over your face or body is necessary. Third, this mask is suitable for all skin types except sensitive skin. It works amazing on oily skin like mine due to its acne treatment properties. Fourth, use this mask twice a week for 10 minutes. Don't overuse it to avoid dryness and skin irritation due to alum present in it. If you have existing skin or hair conditions, then consult your doctor before using it. That's all you need to do to achieve the best desired results. After applying this mask, wait for 10 minutes. That is more than enough. Then wash off with normal water. I've been using this mask for more than 2 months now. You can actually notice the glow on my face if you are regular on my channel. Look at how glowy and fresh my skin looks. After washing off, dab to dry your face with tissue or towel. Don't drag to dry your face, it can be harsh on your skin. Then all you need to do is to moisturize. I use this Dot & Key 72 hours probiotics moisturizer. You can use your normal moisturizers. The basic motive is to moisturize your face after this mask. For body, you can use body lotion, body oil, anything you use normally. Even aloe vera gel will work for your oily skin people as well. At last, for lips, I use this Dot & Key lip plumping mask as lip balm. This is not required. It is very optional. I just have a habit of using lip balms. That's it. If you want to use it, it's all up to you to use it. This lip mask is in the variant Wild Berries and Pomegranate. That's all for today's video. If you like the mask, then use it and let me know in the comment section below on how it worked for you guys. Do like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Press the bell icon for the hacks and solutions I share related to skin and hair care issues through my long videos as well as shorts. Do support if you like my content. It's an encouragement to keep bringing quality and budget friendly remedies and routines for you guys. Hope it helps. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.